Okay, I'm going to make the Chinese broccoli with garlic sauce. I have about 10 ounces of Chinese broccoli and 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and I use 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The boiling water, I put 1 tablespoon oil in it and 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. And I'm going to put all the broccoli in it and boil that for about 2 minutes. So leave it at about 2 minutes. Okay, this is already 2 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And over that side, I'm going to turn on the low heat. And put a little bit of oil in it. Then I'm going to stir fry the garlic first. Then I put all the broccoli in it. Then I put the sauce in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay. Okay, this is all done. This is how I make today the Chinese broccoli with garlic sauce.